Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem on your iPhone. So if on your iPhone no sound or volume very loud, so how you can fix it? So first thing, just check if you turn off here silent mode, so here you can see it. So just check this thing. If you turn off silent mode, after you can also just try to up your volume or and loud, make it lower. So if you can't change your volume by these buttons, so you can check it in your settings. So just open the settings. Now just go to sounds and haptics. So let's check where it is. So here you can see it. Just open it. Now just you can change it from here, and also you can check this thing. Here you can see change with buttons. Just turn on this option. So now you can also change your volume by tapping these two buttons. So, and if it doesn't help you, you can also just try to restore your phone. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, you can also just try to update your phone. So just go to the general, just open software update, and just wait until it will check for updates. And if you see here download and install, it means that you have available update. Just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. And if you still have the error, so just try to make force restore on your phone. So it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. So iPhone with Face ID. If you have another model of iPhone, you can find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make force restore. So on this model of iPhone, you just need to press on high volume buttons and on low volume button, and just keep on hold power button until you will see here black screen. So high volume button, then low volume button, and just keep and hold power button. Keep holding power button until you will see black screen. So when you will see black screen, just release your finger from power button, and now we need to see Apple logo. So when we will see Apple logo, it means that we successfully made force restore. So here it is. So now just wait until your system will load. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.